Hi, beloveds. Let me tell you something. Here's a lie. Do more and you will earn more. That is a lie. It's not true. What is true is you need to do more of the right things. You also need to focus less on the technical part of what you're doing and shift your focus to who you want to become. Doing more doesn't always get you better results. Instead, try doing the right things. This is about working harder and not smarter. This is about doing more with less. It's about we call it the 80-20 rule. 80% of your positive results will come from 20% of your actions. So be smart and strategic. Figure out which of your activities are getting you 80% of the results that you want. The problem is that we all want to do everything. We figure if we do it all, something will stick, something will work. Instead, just be real. Realize you can't do it all. You shouldn't try. But you can try if you want to, but you might either fail or lose your health in the process. Is that really worth it? I don't think so. So I suggest we stop trying to do it all and instead do those things that matter most. Do those things that produce the best results. Do those things that bring us the most joy. All right, beloveds. I hope this was helpful to you. Send me an email or shoot me a direct message if you'd like some more one-on-one support. I am happy to help. Take care and have a good evening. You see, it's kind of dark out here. I'm taking a walk and it is evening, but I have some good ideas to share, so here we are. Take care. Bye-bye.